So, students, I am going to prepare the format of receipt in payment account for your help. First, you must know, and you will be writing for the year ended 31st 3 2020. देखते हैं कौन सा ईयर है क्वेश्चन में. सो 21. सो आप 21 लिखेंगे यहाँ. ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज क्लियर. Okay, now we have to prepare the table. So one particular, one for amount, both sides. So total column will be 4. Okay, and rows, I'm taking 3 here. Okay, so here you will be writing receipt. Okay, and this side you will be writing rupees. Again, you will write payment, and this side you will be writing rupees. Okay, so like this you will start prepare from the opening balance to balance BD. Okay, so what is cash in hand and cash at bank. Okay, so see what is cash in hand and cash at bank, how much. So 7,500 and 48,000. So 7,500 and 48,000. Okay, so this is what the total amount you should write. So 55,500. Okay, so now you have understood how to write. Now to subscription. Subscription receipt for you are preparing for 21, so you have received collected subscription for 3 years. So what is 2020, 2021 and 2022? You have received subscription for 3 consecutive year, and 1 year is the previous year. Okay, so what is the amount? See, 15,000, 2,20,000 and 6,000, right? So here you will be writing 15,000, 2,20,000 and how much? Last one is 6,000. Okay. तो कितना पैसा आपको रिसीव हो रहा है बस वो ध्यान रखना है, राइट. सो नाउ टोटल इज okay. So total is 2,25,35,641, 2,41,000. Okay. So students, I hope you all are getting. Now, next, it is saying donation received. तो जो भी पैसा आपको रिसीव हो रहा है वो आपको डेबिट में लिखना है, ठीक है. So no credit transaction should be there. Okay. So to donation received. ठीक है. तो how much you have received donation? 25,000. Okay. So you should write 25,000. Okay. Now again you have received donation receipt for pavilion 2 lakhs. So to donation received for pavilion 2 lakh. Okay. Done. So like that. Now 8% investment purchased 2 lakhs. So this is the payment. So this side you will be writing by 8% investment purchased. Okay. So 2 lakhs done. So investment purchase 2 lakh. Purchase of refreshment. तो जो भी purchase किया आपने payment कर रहे हो. So you will be writing by refreshment. ओके फिर आपने क्या किया है रिफ्रेशमेंट कितने का है जस्ट चेक परचेज रिफ्रेशमेंट 12,000 रेंट पेड 6,000 सो रेंट पेड तो 12,000 and 6,000 okay 12,000 6,000 so I hope you all are getting but those transactions should not be recorded which are non-cash. So on a entrance fee received 18,000. So you have received. So receipt will be recorded this side to entrance fee 18,000. Okay. Now honorarium to secretary, it's a kind of payment 10,000. Secretary. So how much is it? 10,000. Done. Now interest on 8% investment 9,000. So this is a kind of receipt because on investment you will be receiving to interest on 8% investment received 9,000 you have received. Okay. Now furniture purchase 20,000. It's the payment. So you will be writing the side by furniture purchased 20,000. Now sale of old furniture cost rupees 6,000 but you have sold for rupees 4,000. So this means you are receiving 4,000 only no matter with the cost here because you are receiving how much just you have to record. So sale of furniture 4,000 right. So this side this is a receipt to sale of furniture 4,000 and next sports material purchased 80,000. Purchased means payment. So sports material. Okay. So buy sports material purchased 80,000. Okay. So students, I hope you are getting. Now sale of refreshment 30,000. This is a receipt. Sale of refreshment 30,000. Done. And now salaries and wages. So 74,000. So this is a payment. Is it? It is clear by the name. 74,000 by salaries and wages. 74,000. Okay. Now sports expenses. So it is saying that sports expenses 25,000 including unpaid 5,000. इसका मतलब इस 25,000 में 5,000 ऐसा इंक्लूड है जो अभी पेमेंट नहीं हुआ, यानी पेमेंट कितना हुआ है फिर 20,000। तो हम लोग सिर्फ 20,000 का रिकॉर्ड करेंगे बिकॉज नॉन कैश वी डू नॉट रिकॉर्ड because here how much we are making payment. So sports expenses in bracket it is saying including unpaid expenses 5,000 total 5,000 यानी include है इस 25 में जो 5,000 अभी unpaid है यानी पेमेंट नहीं किया वो भी include है, उसको हटा दे, सिर्फ पेमेंट जो है वो करना है। sports expenses 20,000। so पेमेंट है तो आप लिखेंगे by sports expenses तो 20,000 done। Now further cash in hand is given 6,200, this is a closing balance and depreciate furniture 10%। तो बेटा depreciation से कोई मतलब नहीं है because it's the non cash expenses, so there is no outgoing of cash while we charge depreciation, so leave it, only those transactions we do record which are cash, whether we are receiving or making payment, non cash item we should not record। So cash in hand we should record as a closing balance, then final balance would be, so closing balance, why the cash balance is given because there are two items cash and bank both, so both balance we cannot find as a missing figures, only one figure we can find whether it is of cash or bank, so whatever balance is given, okay, balance CD, so you will be writing cash in hand, so on closing, okay, 2021 how much is given, see 6,200 I think na, yes, so 6,200, so we'll write 6,200 and now the next cash at bank would be here because two balances are, तो cash at bank का balance given नहीं है वो हमें as a missing figure find करना है, okay। सो कितना होगा, तो इसके लिए हम टोटल रिसिप्ट का पहले हम लोग सारा एक साथ कर लें, ओके। तो रिसिप्ट का टोटल आप सब लोग करिए, जस्ट डू योरसेल्फ टोटल एवरीबॉडी ऑन योर नोटबुक। कीजिए भाई आप लोग। सो मेरे ख्याल से 5,82,500 आ रहा है इधर, आप लोग भी टोटल करके चेक करो। 5,82,500, अब इसमें से 6,200 ये भी है, इसी में ऐड हो जाएगा, तो ऐड करो आप लोग। 12 6 18 10 28 और 20 48 4 52 और 20 72 यानी 70 7 7 140 140 और 80 220 220
5,82,500 आ रहा है सर रिसिप्ट।
इधर का तो रिसिप्ट हम लिख दिए बेटा 5,82,500, देखो मैंने लिखा है। अब इधर का ये टोटल करो आप लोग, ये टोटल देखो इतना, ये टोटल जो हम मैंने सेलेक्ट किया और ये 6,200 इन सबको ऐड करो और इसमें से माइनस करो तो कैश एट बैंक का मिसिंग फिगर आ जाएगा, या कैश इन हैंड को हम डायरेक्टली यहाँ लिख देते हैं, दिक्कत होगा आपको यहाँ, तो ठीक है मैं यहाँ कर दे रहा हूँ, एक मिनट, ओके मैं ये कर दिया। चलो अब कैश एट बैंक का बैलेंसिंग फिगर आपको फाइंड करना है, ठीक है।
तो उस साइड में सर 3,64,200 आ रहा है।
हाँ तो माइनस करके बताइए क्या कितना आ रहा है। 1,54,300 आ रहा है इसका बैलेंस। देखिए आप लोग, ये बैलेंस फिगर आना चाहिए। आ रहा है इतना?